Don't knock it till you try it. You won't believe how creamy this chocolate pudding is from this little avocado. Let's make it now. I know you're wondering if you will be able to taste the avocado in the chocolate pudding, and I answer that in about 2 minutes. But for now, you're going to cut up 2 babies or 1 large avocado and scoop it all out into either a blender or a food processor, whatever you have. I have a blender, so that's what I used. You're going to even scoop out, I see how there's a little bit left. I did that too. I included that too. Also, now you're going to add the cacao powder, which is just the delicious chocolate flavor. 4 tablespoons of that is what you'll need for this. And then you're going to add the syrup. If you're keto, you can add keto-friendly syrup, but if not, then you can use just regular maple syrup, and 4 tablespoons of that work swimmingly. Put that together, get it ready to put it in the blender. Depending on your blender or food processor, you may need to add almond milk. I like to always start without any and then add as I go. I added 3 tablespoons of almond milk. You can add any plant milk, will work. I'd like to say that I did the vanilla extract at the end on purpose, but I actually forgot. You could include that in the beginning or at the end, whichever you prefer. And that's it. And now you're done and you are ready to enjoy your creamy chocolate pudding. Look at that. It's really a lovely, lovely sight. I added some walnuts, as you can see, because I think the combination of chocolate and walnuts is delicious, but that is optional. And you can add them or not. For a closer look at the chocolate pudding, here you go. This chocolate avocado pudding is so chocolatey, creamy. Look at this. Look at this. It's so thick and yummy. I think that the walnuts add a great combination with the chocolate, but you could certainly add a different nut. You could add pecans, you could add peanut butter, you could drizzle peanut butter on top. Raspberries go great with it. Strawberries go great with it. Anything you like with chocolate pudding goes amazingly delicious with this vegan, dairy-free, so easy chocolate avocado pudding. By the way, you don't taste the avocado at all. Use the 4 tablespoons of cacao powder and 4 tablespoons of maple syrup with the teaspoon of vanilla, and it's just delicious, healthy, easy. For more easy, healthy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me, and I will see you on the next one.